Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires. Today, we've got something really cool on our agenda. How to store your crypto assets in a self-custodial wallet. Self-custodial wallets usually begin by generating a unique seed phrase for your wallet. And apparently, you can't use the words beef stew as a crypto password. It's just not stroganoff. Ha ha ha! After this step is complete, you need to securely store the phrase in a safe place. This might be a piece of paper or any other medium. At the same time, you should refrain from leaving it as a plain script on your phone or computer. Keep in mind that everyone who can gain access to the seed phrase will have full control over your wallet. Now, attention! Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that pretty bell to take part in more crypto adventures. See you after reconnecting, happy tapping, and stay as crypto cool as your fan allows you. Tappy deactivated.